Welcome to our channel. Activating Pluto TV on your PlayStation 5 is simple and completely free. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console and navigate to the main menu using your controller. Step 2. Select the Media tab from the menu at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all streaming apps. Step 3. Scroll down to All Apps and select the PlayStation Store icon. You'll use this to download the Pluto TV app. Step 4. Search for Pluto TV using the search function in the PlayStation Store. Type the name using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the Pluto TV app from the search results and click Download or Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your PS5. Step 6. Once installed, return to the Media tab on your PlayStation 5 home screen. You'll now see Pluto TV among your apps. Step 7. Launch the Pluto TV app. No activation code or account is required since Pluto TV is completely free to use. Step 8. Start browsing hundreds of live TV channels and thousands of movies and shows. Use your controller to navigate through the channels and content library. Enjoy free streaming on your PlayStation 5 without any subscription fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.